Hello my friends, in today's episode on Grainificent, I will be showing you how to load and unload film from a Leica CL film camera. Without further ado, let's get into it. And so, how you load and unload the Leica CL. When you have your Leica facing you, underneath here, in the center, we have the opening. We flip it up, rotate it counterclockwise, and we can separate the two halves. As you see, it goes off just like that. And when you get this open, we raise this door here and we can see the shutter now. When we got this open, we put in our film with this tip going down to the bottom of the camera, just like that. And we pull it to the other side. And there are two ways to attach the film to the pickup spool. You can either insert it into one of those holes, so it catches on just like that. But that's what can happen with it when you do it this way. Sometimes the film does pop out from here. So the way I do it is a way that people say it's not the greatest, but it always works for me. I just insert the tip of the film so it goes into one hole, comes out the other. And now when you advance, it folds it nicely into there and it stays in just like that. Of course, don't take so many photos with the camera open. As soon as you wind it once, it catches on. You close this and you slide the back into place. Just like that. It goes over this part, but under this front plate. So closing it, of course, it puts pressure on the film to keep it in place. When it's locked, you just rotate it clockwise and lock it back up. And that's how you load film. And if you're using the light meter in the Leica CL, you set your film ISO in this window over here. You just press this button and rotate it to change to the desired film speed. I keep it at 400 because that's usually the types of films I use. And so now to take photos, we just advance and take a photo. And when taking photos, you have your film counter over here. And when you reach your frame limit, that you can't advance any further, don't force it, and you want to rewind your film back into the camera, you have this lever over here. You pop it open just like this and you press in this button over here. Just press it in, you don't have to hold it in, and with the arrow you wind your film back into the cartridge. And if you don't want the end of the film to go completely into the cartridge, you should listen for the film coming off of the pickup spool and stop immediately after you hear that. So let's see if we can catch this. Just like that, we heard it come off of the pickup spool. So now we close that, we open this counterclockwise again. So as you see, it is off of the pickup spool. It is right there, just like that. We have our film leader coming out. Of course, as you see, this is a test film I use, some old film that's not needed. You just put some film back in and you have the film leader sticking out. And when you replaced your film or took it out, you close the doors clockwise, flip it down, and that's how we have it. And that, my friends, was how you load and unload film from a Leica CL film camera. So, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like so the YouTube algorithm knows that this video is worthy of showing to others. And if you like this type of videos, hit the subscribe button so you never miss any similar videos I make about other film cameras, or other film photography topics. Thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next video.